Hi guys, welcome back to my amazing kitchen. My name is Abba. In today's video, we are making some delicious Ghanaian tea bread. So easy to make, so come along and let's get right into it. We need some flour, and I'm using strong flour, but all-purpose flour will do as well. We need some nutmeg, salt, butter, sugar, yeast, and some water. In a mixing bowl, simply go ahead and add in your flour, your grated nutmeg. It's best to use a fresh nutmeg. Add your yeast, your sugar, and your salt. But you want to make sure that your salt does not touch the yeast directly, or it will kill it. Combine all your dry ingredients together and start mixing on low whilst you add in your water gradually. Now, depending on the type of flour you are using, you may need more or less of the required water. Kindly see the description box down below for the list of ingredients and their correct measurements. Knead your dough for about 5 minutes until it looks like this, and then go ahead and add your softened butter. And now we are going to increase the speed and knead this for about 10 minutes. This recipe is also easy to do by hand, but you just have to knead for about 20 to 25 minutes to get the best results. Your dough should be looking very soft like this once it's done, but it shouldn't be sticky as well. It should pull from the sides of your bowl very easily. This recipe is enough to make 4 medium-sized tea breads or 2 big ones. So I'm going to shape my dough into a ball and divide it into 4 equal parts. One thing I love about Ghanaian breads is that they are very easy to make and you don't need to double proof it. So you get it really done quickly compared to other bread recipes. So if you are intimidated by making bread, I think you need to start with a very simple Ghanaian tea bread recipe like this. So to shape our bread, you are going to take one ball, flatten it out just like this, and then roll it whilst you pinch it down. It doesn't have to be perfect. That's the beauty of homemade recipes. Now go ahead and transfer your log onto a lined baking sheet, making sure to put the seam side down. Now repeat this step until all your balls are formed into a log. Make sure to leave enough spacing between your logs to give them room to proof nicely. Cover this and set it at a warm spot in your house until they are doubled in size. If you want a light and fluffy bread, don't rush the proofing process. Allow it and give it enough time to rise beautifully. So just before I pop my bread into my preheated oven, I'm going to sprinkle it with some flour to give it that classic look. Bake this for about 25 to 30 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius. Tea bread is usually light and pale in color, so you want to bake it low and slow. Now once you take it out of the oven, you want to allow it to cool down for about 5 minutes before you do what I'm trying to do right now in the video. The bread was really hot. So once your bread has cooled down enough for you to touch, you want to go ahead and spread some soft butter and enjoy yourself. But to be honest, I love to enjoy my freshly baked hot bread with some condensed milk. So if you haven't tried that before, you really need to try it. Just look at how soft this bread is. Even after 3 days, this bread was still very soft and delicious. So until I come your way next time with another amazingly delicious recipe, remember that cooking should always be fun and exciting. So bake this bread with love and see it radiate through the hearts of your family. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye!